By default, our programs will start running with a single push of the green cycle start button. And they will pause with a push of the red feed hold button. When setting 103, cycle start feed hold same key is set to on, the cycle start button must be pressed and held to run a program. And when cycle start is released, a feed hold is generated. Run, feed hold, run, feed hold, run, feed hold. But that's not all. When setting 104, jog handle to single block is set to on, and we are in single block mode. The hand jog wheel can single step through a program with each click of the wheel. When either one of these settings, 103 or 104, is set to on, the other will turn off automatically. They are mutually exclusive. Well, that's a quick tip. Thanks for watching.